Nikisema mashinani, sema NASA. Nikisema ODM, mseme NASA. Mashinani!
In the opposition circles, there is a new rallying call, a call centered around the youngest political outfit in the country, the National Super Alliance. Although in its infancy, it is shaping up to be the vehicle through which the opposition will use to take another go at forming government. The coming of NASA, however, is slowly but surely edging out what has been a dominant opposition entity, the Coalition for the Restoration of Democracy, CORD.
CORD is a coalition that is recognized by law. It gave itself life on the 4th of December, 2012.
Comprising ODM Kenya, ODM and Ford Kenya as equal partners, CORD was crafted and agreements entered into that will define how the coalition would govern if they won the 2013 poll and by extension who would carry the flag for the next general election in 2017. But that was not to be, and now political analysts opine that changes are in the offing.
They have put up a technical team that is supposed to look into their way forward. And I don't think that one of the items on the agenda will be about old agreements. It's about picking up a presidential candidate and a presidential running mate.
The new outfit, fronted by Amani Coalition's Musalia Mudavadi, is seeking to bring together like-minded coalitions and all parties, and has seen most of these parties retreat to their core entities and identities.
The opposition cheese has moved, and it moved the day that Musalia Mudavadi of ANC handed over to the new NASA fraternity the instruments establishing NASA.
This fact is disputed by one of the key players in the coalition, Wiper Party, which insists that until dissolved, CORD exists, and so do the agreements that would have sent the party leader get a decent shot as the opposition flag bearer.
It's an addendum that everybody acknowledges does exist. So therefore, the spirit of that is to ensure that everybody gets a go at the presidency. So in terms of its negotiating prowess, I'm sure Wiper will present that as one of the possible areas to consider.
I don't think that this has got anything like taking into account old treaties and covenants. Those ones cease, and moreover, they are also still looking for new partners to join them.
One thing that both parties agree on is the need for a rebrand that is already underway through NASA.
Transformation and migration, it's a portrait of reconstruction.
Rebranding is always a potent tool of politics.
Although CORD remains a legal entity, the formation of NASA is shaking things up in the opposition corridors, and how this will play into the choice of a presidential candidate and their running mates in the run-up to the August 2017 election is a fact that the jury is still yet to decide on. Brenda, Wanga, NTV, Nairobi.